If you forgot your iPhone passcode, there is only one option to fix it. You need to put your iPhone into recovery mode. Just follow these 3 easy steps. First, you need a laptop or computer. It can be a Windows or a Mac. If you are using a Windows laptop or computer, you need to download iTunes. If you have a Mac, iTunes is already installed there. You also need your lightning cable. You connect your cable to your computer and the other end to your iPhone. Second, you need to turn off your iPhone. Afterwards, press and hold the side power button. While holding it, plug in your cable. You have to do this simultaneously. Keep holding the side power button until you see this on your screen. If you see the passcode screen, you are doing it wrong. Go back to turning off your iPhone and do the second step again. If successfully done, a pop-up will appear on your computer. Just click the Restore button and your iPhone will restore and update. This action will erase your data. However, after this process is complete, you will have the options to restore your data and settings. Then you will see your computer restoring your iPhone. You will see this on your iPhone screen. Just wait for the process to finish. After a while, this message will pop up on your screen. Now, your iPhone will reboot and you can start setting up your iPhone manually. Connect to a Wi-Fi network and then you will have your options to restore your data. Choose Restore from iCloud Backup. Enter your Apple ID and it will automatically restore your iPhone. And you're done! Now, you can use your iPhone good as new.